Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to be doing my delicious egg salad. And if you haven't had my egg salad, you better slap yourself. And these are the ingredients you will need. First, you will need mustard, about a tablespoon of mustard. You will need about 3 tablespoons of sweet relish. You will need onions, a half of onion, if you like onions. If you don't have to put it in there. You're going to need about a cup of mayonnaise of your choice. You're going to need your eggs. You're going to need your seasonings, black pepper, about a tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder, and of course a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Now we're going to put the eggs in the pot of water. Okay? Put your eggs in the pot of water, just like this. Already have water in the pot. And you want to make sure your water is just about over your eggs. Okay? And now you put your temperature on a medium-high heat. And when the water starts to boil, you count from then 10 minutes and you'll have the perfect boiled egg. And when the eggs get done, I'm going to show you how to mix everything together. Now we're going to put the whole egg salad together. This is what you need to do first. You need to take a fork and you need to break up your eggs, just like I did. Break them up kind of fine, not too fine, but fine enough. Because you want a little bit of chunky in it, just a little bit. And next, you're going to put your mayo in there, about a cup of mayo of your choice. About a cup of mayo of your choice. Next, you want to put your mustard, and that's about a tablespoon of mustard. Tablespoon of mustard, y'all. Then you will put your sweet relish, which is 3 tablespoons of sweet relish. Oh yes. Then you want to put your onions, a half of onion, if you prefer onions in yours. If not, don't put it in there. I like onions myself. Then, what you want to do, you want to stir it around. You want to stir it around like that. Get everything incorporated. Mix together for your delicious egg salad. Smelling good. Smelling good, looking good. Oh yes. Next, you want to put your seasonings in. Tablespoon of black pepper. Just like that. Tablespoon of onion powder. Just like that. Tablespoon of garlic powder. Just like that. And of course, your chicken bouillon. About 1 tablespoon. Just like that. And when I get all this mixed up, I'll be right back to show you the finished product of my delicious egg salad. And this is the final product of my delicious egg salad. Look at it, y'all. That looks delicious. So delicious. And it tastes good too. And smells good. And if you want more of my Easy Cooking with JUAN recipes, all you gotta do is like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell the whole world what I'm doing in this fabulous kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.